Actually, we checked your car and we found that oil is completely on a dark color. It's something very pathetic situation. May I ask you a honest question? When you change,
Maybe by February, I believe. Yeah.
now, how much is the duration of the kilometers? I think it's more than 15,000 kilometers done, right?
It's 18. Yeah.
18,000 kilometers. Actually, it's completely in a bad situation. It's good that you come and done the oil change now, or your engine might have ceased.
Great.
Okay, anyhow, we are going to do the complete inspection of your vehicle. So we'll go for the underbody inspection, mechanical inspection, electrical inspection, and we'll go for computer diagnosis. So we'll check everything from the engine mount, gear mount, drive belts, pulleys, shock absorber, then brake pad, everything we'll go for a checking and we'll give a report.
Right.
And on the report, I can give you advice what exactly you need to change now, what you can do later.
Okay.
That is, you see your brake pad is 45% remaining, you can drive around 5,000 kilometers more. But if something related to fuel injection or the spark plug, we'll advise you to change it now.
Right.
Thank you very much. But
What
next
about
time,
the AC? Like, you check the
we
AC?
will now we are doing the oil change. Then after we'll go for a complete inspection
Yes.
and we'll put a sticker for the next service due.
All right.
But make sure check the kilometer. You need to change the oil exactly on time.
I'll try.
Please. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
very much.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm from the Carman and we are basically specialists in Mercedes-Benz and BMW. We do all types of services like engine repair, mechanical repair, electrical issues or throttle body issues. Complete vehicle care we used to do. And also we used to go for the complete vehicles inspection, scanning, diagnosis, everything that is related to BMW and Mercedes. Welcome to the Dr. Cars members. We are here to provide the best service for your cars, especially for Mercedes and BMW. Ma'am, we had a checking on your car and as we said, please make sure next service you need to do it immediately.
Right.
And how, thanks God, everything's fine. There's no major issues. The only thing what we found is the front link rod is little big and front shock boot. So it's not a major one. You can you don't want to do it right now. You can do it next service.
Okay.
So next service, please make sure you will do that one. And this is our computer. It includes a vehicle inspection report and this is a battery test.
Perfect.
And also we'll share with the computer diagnosis report also. We didn't find any other big issues in the car.
Perfect.
Thank
you so much. Thank you for your
Thank you.
service.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Dr. Car channel and mobile application are the best.